WYZK News, and I am Hannah, your reporter for today. I have just got breaking news that a wildfire has broke out. We're going to interview the hiker that saw what happened. Hello, my name is Hannah.
My name is Mr. Maddox.
Okay, hello, Mr. Maddox. Okay, please explain to us if the fire broke out. Like, did you see it break out, or did you see the dry grass area and knew that it was going to happen?
I seen it break out.
You seen it break out? Yep. So, how big is it?
Big.
Was it like trees on fire? Was there any dry, naked trees around?
Everything was on fire. I tried to get out of there.
What about the animals? Did you see any animals hurt?
I seen a freaking deer. It was under fire. It was gone. It was dead.
What?
The 2017 California wildfire season was the most destructive one on record, which saw multiple wildfires burning across California. A total of 9,000 fires burned over 1 million acres of land. Wildfires can occur when lightning strikes, but 60% of wildfires in national parks are caused by humans either intentionally setting the fires, smoking, or failing to put out campfires.
For coming. And thank you for watching. That's WYZK for
Stay away.